bells are ringing out for Christmas Day.
Okay, just before the video starts, I'm going to announce the winner of yesterday's AB Trains' special Christmas gift. Question 7, as you can see on screen now. Question 7, the TGV is the fastest train in the world, true or false? The answer's false. And I've got a reason to back this up. So, shout outs are going to go to the Emerald Gaming. He also has his side of the story as well, which kind of backs this up. And NJH Trains. So that's the Emerald Gaming and NJH Trains. They get the shout out for answering correctly. Now, here's the reason to back this up. Okay, so this is the website which is home to the top 10 fastest trains 2019. In the number 8 and 7 spot, we have both the TGV Duplex and Euro Duplex. This is the standard duplex, and this is the Euro Duplex. 4 numbers is Euro Duplex, 3 numbers is standard duplex. But they have a top speed, they both have a top speed of 198 miles an hour. The fastest train in the world is, you're probably going to know this, it's the Shanghai Maglev with a top speed of 267.8 miles an hour. So that's the reason why the answer is false. The TGV is the fastest train in the world. The answer's false. The Shanghai Maglev is the fastest train in the world. Question 8 will be announced later on in the video.
Hello and welcome to the AB Trains' Christmas Countdown Day 8. This time you join us back at Grantham, where we shall see 6163 Tornado fly through on a Lincoln Central to Lincoln's Cross charter, which is currently running 4 minutes early as of Collingham. Okay, today's question is, who helped to design the Class 43 HST? Leave your answer in the comments section below.
Just the same.